Welcome back, Wondernauts. I recently took a road trip from Bangalore to Munnar, passing through Erode, Tirupur, and Marayur. I'll be sharing the drive, the road conditions, and some stunning scenery along the way. First of all, apologies for the glare in the video. Blame it on my dashcam, not my GoPro. We entered the Anamalai Reserve Forest in Tamil Nadu, where the road was as narrow as my patience on a Monday morning. One car at a time, and when we met another vehicle, let's just say we got very friendly with the bushes. Speaking of which, there were these thorny plants reminded me of Bellari Jali back in Bellary or North Karnataka, but I'm sure they have a different, fancier name here. The views were mostly green, rocky, and well, a little underwhelming at first, but the road, a challenge. Potholes everywhere, hairpin bends, and almost no room for error. Oh, and no mobile signal. Because, of course, I forgot to download an offline map. It's just one road, right? After a bit of nerve wracking driving, we reached the Kerala border. A quick stop to share our details with the friendly officer. Name, where we are from, and where we are headed, all that stuff. I was in and out in a couple of minutes, and there were those monkeys. Lots of them. One even decided to take a ride on the car in front. Funny monkey business, isn't it? The road after the border, well, it got worse. Narrower, full of potholes, and the sides were like deep crevices waiting to swallow us whole. But the mountains, they were absolutely massive, towering high above like nature's skyscrapers. Breathtaking. Magnificent. We stopped to check out a waterfall right by the road. It was small but incredible. Some kids were having the time of their lives playing in the water, but a little jealous of their carefree fun. Now, they don't have to worry about mobile signal or reaching on time, all that stuff, right? Next, we passed the Marayur Jaggery factory. You can visit and see the process, but we kept moving, not wanting to get distracted from the mountains ahead. Then came the crossroad. No signal, no map. I was left wondering which way to go until I spotted a tiny sign. Munnar straight ahead. Trust me, that sign is easy to miss. If you're traveling this route, download an offline map. It's a lifesaver. We also saw the sandalwood forest, which looked like any other forest. I asked a local about the sandalwood trees, and he pointed at one, casually saying, "That's sandalwood." Now, I'm not sure if he was serious, but it made for a funny moment. By now, the beauty of Munnar was starting to shine through. The rolling tea estates, lush greenery, and waterfalls sparkling in the sunlight. The weather wasn't as cool as I had hoped. It's just 24 degrees Celsius, but hey, it's still Munnar. Another checkpost where the officer asked the same questions. Kerala RTC buses were flying down the road, showing no mercy for small cars. I swear they must have a secret course in driving like a boss. We also saw tea workers sorting through freshly picked leaves, same ones that will end up in your morning cup of tea. It's crazy to think about how much work goes into that little cup of joy. Finally, after nearly 11 hours of driving, we reached our homestay. A comfortable bed and dinner awaited, and I was ready to crash. Thanks for tagging along. Stay tuned for more adventures and fewer potholes next time. See you all.